Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jose Soto. I've been with Alltech for about 5 years, and my role today is basically R&D and technical service, and I work with several members within our technical team.
Thanks, Dr. Soto. Mark Hulsebus, I'm the General Manager for Alltech's U.S. pork business. I've been with Alltech for almost 4 years, and as Jose said, we get to work on the U.S. pork team and help pork producers across this great nation improve sustainability, profitability, livability within their systems. We are fortunate here this year that we're rolling out through a global launch a technology called Olerix. I'm going to let Dr. Soto tell a little bit about that, but at a high level, it's a proprietary blend of essential oils that we've found statistically significant improvement around performance as well as livability in our research facilities, and we're happy to be able to roll that out to the globe at this point.
We are extremely encouraged because of the repeatability of the outcomes of the technology. And certainly another pretty critical aspect is the fact that we have done by Q3, we're going to have executed 10 independent commercial scale trials that continues to tell us that this product is not only able to improve performance, such as gain in feed efficiency, but also, as Mark alluded, we are able also to improve livability, which is extremely meaningful within the context of the challenges of our industry today. So we have done this not only in nursery and younger swine, we have also done this in finishing. And as I mentioned, when we have done this work, what we have seen is an increase of average daily gain, specifically compared to a negative control, non-supplemented. In addition to it, we have also seen improvements around feed efficiency, meaning that the pig is able to utilize those nutrients in a much better way, right? And lastly, and I think that this has been probably the most profound and meaningful outcome, has been around the livability component. So those pigs tend to survive, maintain alive within the context of the challenges of our swine production today. That is extremely meaningful, and I think that there is a component of sustainability in the background as well, right? We are able to maintain more pigs alive, thus increasing profitability for the swine producers.
Obviously, our team of technical experts and sales professionals are engaging with the U.S. industry, so if they haven't heard about it yet, they're going to soon hear about it. But I would say, the message I think that we want to make sure that we're getting across in those individual discussions, but more broadly, as people start to see this video, hear about the technology, see about it in print, is one of throughput. And Dr. Soto began to elucidate what that means. From my perspective, this concept of improving throughput fits very, very nicely with Alltech's focus on a planet of plenty. One thing that Dr. Soto and I talked about in another interview this morning that also happens to be a major benefit from a production perspective is that it's a disservice to tie sustainability to anything other than profitability. And so when we talk about sustainability, we're also saying this is a profitability solution for clients because we're helping drive throughput into their systems and put more pounds of pork out of the same fixed asset or investment that they're making on the front end.
As a technical individual, certainly the data is what matters the most for the team and for the producer as well. So extensive amount of work. Once again, we are encouraged about the outcomes of the technology. Something that I want to emphasize is that we have not only seen positive results in younger pig, we have also seen this in finishing pigs. And I think that is a space pretty meaningful. If you think about the feed consumption specifically within that stage, being able to make that pig more efficient, I think that is pretty meaningful, not only from a sustainability perspective, but ultimately around profitability. And that's why we are so encouraged and excited about this opportunity to share with customers.
If you have an immediate need around around livability and throughput, reach out to your local Alltech sales representative. Certainly we're engaging, as I mentioned earlier, with each and every producer as quickly as we can get to them within the U.S. industry. But don't wait. Reach out to your local sales rep, one of the technical team members, myself. We've got a number of folks easily accessible. It's just a phone call away.